Welcome to the fourth and final video in the file management series. Previous videos cover how to open and save your Mellel documents and how to import files from different applications into Mellel. And in this video, you will learn all about exporting, how to export your Mellel documents into different file types, including plain text, RTF and Word documents, OPML files, and PDFs. To export a Mellel document as a plain text file, choose File, Export, Plain Text from the menu bar. Select a name and location for your exported file, and configure any of the following options. You can use the encoding pop-up menu to choose the plain text encoding. If you choose any option, then Unicode or UTF-8, use the character pop-up menu to set the character that will be used to replace characters that don't exist in the selected encoding. Another option is checking the Include URL with Hyperlinks checkbox to determine whether the URL is included in the exported document when your Mellel document includes hyperlinks. And finally, click Save to export your document. To export a Mellel document as an RTF document, choose File, Export, RTF from the menu bar. Select the name and location for your exported file and choose any of the following options. You can use the Export Markers checkbox to determine whether markers from the Mellel document will appear in the exported document. Use the Export Text Language Tags checkbox to determine whether the languages applied to the text are exported with the document. Just know the default is No, as enabling this feature commonly leads to styling issues in the exported document. Use the Vector Images Resolution text box to set the resolution for the exported vector images. The default value is 300 dpi and should usually suffice. And finally, click Save to export your document. Mellel supports exporting documents in an RTF standard using a .doc extension, which means that other systems will handle them as Word documents. To export a Mellel document as a Word document, choose File, Export, Word Document from the menu bar. The options in this window are identical to those described for an RTF document, so configure them as you'd like and click Save to export your document. To export a Mellel document as an OPML file, choose File, Export, OPML from the menu bar. Select a name and location for your exported file and configure any of the following options. Use the Export Content as Notes checkbox to determine whether text located under the various auto titles will be included as notes in the OPML file. The Include URL with Hyperlinks checkbox is similar to what we previously explained for exporting plain text files. Now click Save to export your document. The PDF is a standard file format which preserves the original text structure and style. To export a Mellel document as a PDF document, choose File, Export, PDF from the menu bar. Select a name and a location for your exported file and configure any of the following options. Use the Outline checkbox to determine whether auto titles are exported as the table of content for the PDF document. When this checkbox is checked, two additional checkboxes beneath it become available. Use the Include Bookmarks checkbox to determine whether bookmarks are included in the exported outline, and use the List Tag Flows Separately checkbox to determine whether tag flows will appear separately from the structural auto titles in the PDF table of contents. Refer to our auto title series to learn more on the different flow types. Use the Markers checkbox to determine whether markers from the Mellel document will be included in the exported PDF, and use the Annotations checkbox to determine whether comments and track changes from the Mellel document will be included in the exported PDF as well. Click Save to export your document. So this concludes this lesson. You should now be able to export your Mellel documents into different file types. We definitely recommend that you view and try the corresponding tutorial to practice what you've just learned. So go ahead, click the link below, and give it a try. So this is it for the file management series. You should now be able to open and save Mellel documents and to export and import different file types from different applications. Want to find out more about Mellel? Go to our features page and check out more resources to learn Mellel inside and out. We hope you've enjoyed this video and appreciate any feedback you may have, so go ahead and comment. Bye!